Who are you?
You can see who I am.
You're the...
724, yeah?
Yeah. Don't touch me. Don't grab my camera.
Don't touch me,
don't
mate,
touch me.
okay?
Why are you touching me?
Because
why are you
just
touching
now, you've just been trying to...
You're touching me.
Yeah.
Don't grab me. There's
No,
no
I'm
reason to
pushing you
grab
back.
me. There's no reason to grab me and push me back.
Excuse me?
Wait, why are you
Don't
pushing
walk past me.
Where are you pushing me to? Get off my camera. Get off my camera. What are you doing?
Well, the training you receive as a special constable is in use constantly, from every arrest that you make to ensure that the legislation is right, that it's a lawful arrest, that you follow the procedures properly, and the officer safety training too for those situations where force is necessary, where you do have to handcuff people, you do have to arrest people that don't want to come very quietly.
Right, mate, can you come out from police lines, please?
Yeah, be careful, mate, be careful. I'll go. Don't...
Officers don't leave Hendon until they've achieved a standard where we, the instructors, are happy.
We push that one forward.